Presentation of Manager Work Plan and Manager Workflow. The calendar view of Work Plan. If a company has divisions, it is possible to change and select which divisions are showing. The grid here is an overdue grid, and it can be expanded or contracted the same way, and this applies to all grids. If you want to go to a particular date that's overdue, you can take the calendar straight there just by right clicking, and then you can just go to a date that's more relevant whenever you need it. The grids are movable, and you can see in the background where it was going to go, and you can have that there sitting there all the time, or you can make it so that it auto hides. It has full function when it auto hides, and you can drag on to the calendar, or you can even unschedule anything on the calendar. It's easy enough to put grids back to where you want them or change location. Just follow the background information. If you have a look at this one's currently set for the 6th, and we're going to move that to the 7th. So what happens in Manager, if we go to the work order, we can see that it's still set on the 6th. If we refresh that and then select the work order again, you'll see that it now matches what's in the calendar. We can adjust how many calendars we see. We can even drag onto that calendar view, or just drag across and it'll show you whatever's highlighted. Where items won't fit into one date, you can select the arrow and it shows all the details for that date. If you want to, from anywhere, you can go and look at the job details and the work order details. Buttons up the top will take you automatically to the current view, whether it be a week view or a full week view. It is possible to change colours of what you're looking at, and this is a user preference. It is also possible to highlight and tick whatever you want to see in the main calendar view, and once you save it and close out, you'll see that it's changed in the calendar view. To reset that, you can restore defaults, save it and close it. Any information there now flows through to Manager Workflow, where there's a lot of flexibility of filtering columns and moving columns around. As you'll see, we can even group by different columns and have multiple groups on columns. Just grab the column and move it to wherever you want to, the same as we now want this one over to the left, because that's more important to us. If you want to change the columns that you actually see, you can have the column chooser open and drag a column header onto there, and it will remove. The same for putting another one back in. To get the functionality of the ribbon, we can use the ribbon control up here, and we can select an auto hide, or just show the tabs. So when you show the tabs, one click will open up the ribbon to look at, and 2 clicks will allow you to fix it in place until you don't need it. You can refresh, set a refresh timer, you can even show a summary, you can nominate what gets summarized, and you can do a print preview, which is a preview of everything that's displayed in the grid view. From here you can export different file formats. If columns have been changed around and you need to reset to standard, it is a simple case of restoring layout to the default, and you can change again.